Alright, I have heard there are crochet kits at Five Below. Well, I haven't heard. The ads have been coming up in my Facebook feed. I saw Grinch stuff. I think I saw the Grinch and Cindy Lou Who. And I'm going to see if there's anything else. I would do the Grinch. I do like the Grinch. That cartoon is probably one of my favorites, but I don't know what else they have. I'm going to go check it out and see what else they have. And I have a few other errands I need to do. And so yeah, that's it. The Five Below here only had what I showed you in the little brief video. It had a regular stitch. It had a couple Christmas stitches. It had one Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack Skellington. Then I walked around and I saw a couple more of the Christmas stitch, so I decided to go ahead and buy him, even though that I was looking for Grinch. I did not see the Grinch. I'm going to make a Christmas tree full of ornaments, crocheted ornaments, which is one of the things I'm going to do in for Vlogmas this year. So I thought I could go ahead and get a little jump start on that. With this guy, do an unboxing. It's a very small box, as you can see. I mean, my hand's not that big. What I'm thinking for, I'm going to go see if I don't think there's a Five Below. I think the closest one to me probably is in Charleston. So I'll have to see if I want to go and make a trip to see if I can find another Five Below somewhere that may have the Grinch, because that's the one I really, really want. Alright, so I'll go and unbox this and see what's in there. From the picture, it looks like it's plushy material, but I don't think it is. Why don't we, oh, heck. I'm going to just unbox it now. No, it is not plushy. Oh, wow. It is some kind of... Ooh, that does feel like... That is like that micro... What is that? There's a small velvet yarn. That's what that feels like. Wow, that's nice. So it's got stuffing. It's got... This is the red in the... Yeah, that feels like... it feels like plushy yarn. But it's you can see it's probably like a number 2. So it's like Amigurumi yarn meets plushy yarn. See, we got these, I guess those are the main colors. I see it's got his eyes there. Okay, it's got a hook, and it's a metal hook, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like a cheap, what are that? Is it Boyle brand? So yeah, it's not a bad hook. It's a 3.5 millimeters, so I probably will use the one from the Aldi Ghost, because I really did like that hook. So that it's got felt eyes. Let's see what else is in here. There's his eyes. All the different colors that you'll need for Mr. Stitch. So the different color blues, the different color, and then that. Okay, so there's the needle. Plastic needle. And again, no stitch marker. As per usual, when it comes to these kits, you don't get a stitch marker. But this was $5, I believe. Let me double check. Oh, I did buy the corgi socks. Yeah, this was $5. So so it's the same price as the Aldi kit. And I'm really digging the yarn. I can tell you that right now. Let's just hope it's easy to work with. Living in Southeast Ohio and West Virginia. People don't believe in mufflers around here, apparently. Okay, so this is, it's got 2 instructions here. This is it's like the main instructions. Yeah, so head, body, nose, body, arms, legs, hat, pom-pom, belt, and finishing. This is, looks like maybe a key for, yeah, yarn over slip knot, working chain, stitches, front back loop. Yeah, so this is terms, these are crochet terms, and this is the actual pattern itself. Okay, so I'm excited now that I opened it. Wow, I'm so excited. I am going to, I will share my thoughts on actually making Mr. Stitch here, because I'm excited about this yarn. This is really, I bought one of these at Hobby Lobby earlier in the year, and I was sadly disappointed with it. I started to review it. I ended up having to quit making it because it was just such a cluster. So I'm going to be excited to try this one. So be sure to come back and see if this is actually, if I ended up being as excited about the yarn as I am right now. Because if you watched the Aldi video, you know I was pretty pumped about that yarn, and then it kind of wasn't as pumped after I worked with it. So yeah, come back and see what I think about Stitch.